Hello, my name is Henry. I'm a lighting designer and I love light and design. And I'm happy to show you today ArtMorph. ArtMorph is the world's first combination between an LED display with a cover in front. This means instead of having a black looking outlook without any light, you can have a beautiful design in your room. And the product by itself is well designed. It's lightweight and it's matching the 500 by 500 millimeter what a company is using today. And there is a nearly invisible gap. Let me show you. This is a tile and this is two parts. We have the LED display and a removable cover in front. And with 4 strong magnets, it's very easy to install. We already have a big family of designs you can choose from. Over 500 different designs are available, and we have put them in different categories. So one of them is the wood collection. This collection, you can choose mahogany, pine, oak, polished or matte, or the combination of both. Or this is the fabric collection. Different fabrics, a jeans, a cotton in different colors you can choose. Think about the stone collection, a very luxury stone, up to a very stylish concrete wall with a light behind you can have. And here you can see metal. This is also nice to play with. You can have a golden look or a bronze look, the metal collection. And on top of this, we even can customize every design you are thinking about. A big image over different patterns, yeah? Or everything is possible. So please challenge us to develop something outstanding new designs for a wall. To run the beautiful product, you need ArtMorph Play. This is a very professional player with a Nova Star control system inside, but we have simplified the control to a much more easier web control. This means you can use your phone or an iPad next to the wall or even a faraway PC to change the content, to upload fresh content, or even to timing content over the day. So in the morning you can sending a very welcome good morning, and at night you're sending everybody a good night. Sometimes you even need to have a more simple way to control ArtMorph, so you can use the remote in the box, yeah, to change the content easily. And if you have a closer look, the material even matching your order. So it's easier to realize this is the system. How easy it is to install, let me show you on one example. So I remove the cover and I bring here an additional frame. We have a clever system to combine them to making a really flat surface. Even if the wall is a little bit out of shape, this allows you to level the surface perfectly. And to connect the panels together, we're having a combination between power and signal as a hard plug from panel to panel to panel. So there is no wire at all. Of course, to run the system, you need to use a wire. But this one is a special one, so it's a combination between power and signal, so you only have one to install, and then you are ready to go. The product have a lot of tiny details, and one of them is we even care about the sustainability in our environment. That's why we have decided to using a material mix between 25% polymer and 75% wood. This material is carbon neutral and it's even recyclable. On top of this, ArtMorph has a very long lifetime. It can run over 10 years and we're already giving 5 years warranty for the product. And imagine after 2 years in one environment, the environment changed from a hotel lobby with a lot of marble to maybe a more wooden look. Then you only need to replace the cover and you can use ArtMorph again. This is clever. And this allows you even to show ArtMorph as a much more modern light. You not only can dim this up and down to matching the light you need, you also can play messages or movies or shadow content. Think about this big airport mall. You can play some birds and the right movement to present a feeling, an emotion to your wall. And how does this look like? Let me show you.